The CUPRA DarkRebel Showcar has been unveiled, marking a significant milestone in the world of automotive design. This all-electric shooting brake sports car is a testament to CUPRA's commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and performance. The DarkRebel was conceived in CUPRA's virtual space, making it the first car of its kind to transition from the virtual realm to the physical world. This innovative approach was made possible through the collaboration of the CUPRA Tribe, which includes brand ambassadors and over 270,000 configurations from enthusiasts around the world. The design of the DarkRebel is a blend of passion and a disruptive mindset. Its exterior boasts an enigmatic mercury-like liquid body color, emphasizing the brand's dedication to sustainability and innovation. The vehicle's lighting plays a pivotal role, with the CUPRA logo's illumination highlighting the interplay between material and immaterial elements. This lighting concept is further accentuated by the car's triangular light signature, which brings the vehicle to life. Wayne Griffiths, CEO of CUPRA, expressed his enthusiasm for the DarkRebel, stating that it embodies the essence of CUPRA design. He emphasized its rebellious nature, aiming to showcase that future electric cars can be sporty, alluring, and emotionally resonant. The vehicle's design is characterized by sensual surfaces combined with sharp lines, creating a sense of energy and purpose. The dark violet tone of the car changes as environmental light interacts with it, further enhancing its dynamic stance. The DarkRebel's exterior is complemented by its impressive dimensions, with a length of 4.5 meters, a width of 2.2 meters, and a height of 1.3 meters. When its doors open, they reach a height of 2.2 meters, emphasizing the car's sporty soul. CUPRA design director Jorge Diaz highlighted that the DarkRebel encapsulates the brand's DNA, with its wide shoulders, elongated bonnet, and lowered cabin, all centered around the driver. Internally, the DarkRebel challenges conventional design norms. The cockpit is a blend of muscle and skeleton, body and structure, offering a unique and groundbreaking environment. The use of parametric design and additive manufacturing emphasizes a sustainable approach. The interior is adorned with elements like a central spine made using 3D metal printing technology, supersport bucket seats with transparent structures, and a steering wheel that merges racing and gaming worlds. The car's user experience and user interface design are at the forefront of technological advancement. The DarkRebel offers a gamified experience, allowing users to engage in an immersive connection with the CUPRA Tribe. This experience is categorized into 3 unique modes: exponential square, exponential cube, and exponential infinite. Each mode offers a distinct interaction, ranging from a modern digital cockpit to real-time racetrack data and even a venture into CUPRA's space in the metaverse. Sustainability is a core theme in the DarkRebel's design. The interior features sustainable materials made from 90% biodegradable bamboo. Additionally, the vehicle incorporates a fluid canvas on the upper wraparound of the cabin, creating a platform for dynamic lighting effects. These effects enhance the emotions and experiences of the occupants, with colors transitioning from dark blue to shimmering reflective magenta and violet. The CUPRA DarkRebel Showcar was officially introduced at the Volkswagen Group Night and will be showcased to the public at the CUPRA Open Space during the IAA Mobility 2023 in Germany. This debut marks a significant step forward in automotive design, blending the virtual and physical worlds in a manner never seen before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.